it's your girl Jay, and it's time for me to do a fit check. This is where we are on the shirt right now. Let me see if I can come a little closer, give y'all a little bit more detail. I gotta put the collar on, not the collar on, but the cuffs on, and I need to put the hem in, and I need the buttons and the buttonholes put in. But this is how we looking, high, low, back. All right, get into it, 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 get into it. So, with that said, I'm very happy with how the shirt is coming out. Finally got my sleeves in, and you know, they're like a little bit of a drop-like sleeve. So, yeah, I got my pockets. I added another pocket just in case I didn't share that with you guys. I think I did, but I did add another pocket to this shirt. I just got done doing my sleeves. Okay, putting in my pleats and this funny kind of pleat thingy here. I've never done that before. And I actually had it on the wrong side, so I had to go back in and sew this up, close it up, take it off, and then I had to put it back here on the back. So it came out better than the first one. If I must say so myself. So I also wanted to share with you guys, let me turn y'all back around. Hold on. Some patterns that I ordered. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, so Tastikers, this is just to give you a little look of how the pants are looking, how they're fitting, and everything. So yeah, I might have to cut them. I don't know. But this is how the shirt is going to be looking. I don't have the buttons on the shirt yet. Okay, so I just got it pent up here. So y'all can kind of like get an idea of what it's supposed to be looking like. I am happy with it. Yeah, so far I am. The pants, I could have made them a little tighter. I might take them in still. So, yeah, I got the pockets and everything. Otherwise, I like the way it looked. Okay, high-low shirt. I want to take the shirt out and just let it hang. Okay, so that's how it would look if I just wanted it to hang. Okay, the pants go like right about there. I'm trying to be looking at my toes because they ain't done. But when it get warm outside, they gonna be done. Cause right now it's cold, so I'll be putting on socks. But anyway, I don't have my cuffs on yet. But here's the shirt and here's the pants. Okay. Yeah, I like it, y'all. It's gonna be cute when I get done with it. It's gonna be cute, and today gonna be the day that I get done with it, because I'm ready to be done with it. Okay, so that's that. And I also wanted to share with you guys what I'm working on, what I'm thinking about working on. But here is the pattern one more time, just so y'all can see how we doing that. And then you see hers is short, mine are long. I'm thinking about cutting them, so you know, and leaving the ends frayed and everything. I wanted to share with you guys before I let you go some patterns that I had ordered from simplicity.com that I want to work with, and I want to show you the fabrics that I want to work with. So yeah, the first I have a new look pattern, 6782, which is easy, which is a drawstring top and a skirt. And it is too cute, y'all. And here it is right here. Okay, this is the new look pattern. Ain't that cute, y'all? Oh, it's so cute. It is really, really cute. Look at that. Okay. And here is the fabric that I bought from Walmart that I'm going to make it in. It's a solid color. Yep, it's solid. And it's purple. And it is a, I forgot what it was, but I think, hold on, y'all. Let me see. It's 2 yards 2 yards and 57 inches, and then 1 point yard polyester. Let me see. Here is the receipt form. Okay, and this is what it cost me. $2.60 and $1.95 for, wait a minute, the purple. Let me see. Okay, let me get it right because I had two. Maybe I got rid of the other one. Okay. Anyway, one piece, which was the piece for 1.5 yards, was $1.95. So that's this piece right here for $1.95, right? And then I saw the other piece, so that piece will be the top. And this piece, which is 2 yards, let's see, 2 yards and 57 inches, which will be the skirt. Okay, so I think that's really going to be cute. Let me share it with you again. All right, see those drawstrings on the side? Yep, just something simple and cute. And I see she added like some color drawstrings. I might do that. Good idea. So all in all, I paid $2, $3, $4, and some change for that. Okay, for that outfit. And this pattern cost me $2.99 from simplicity.com. So $4, $5, $6, $7, about $8 outfit, okay? So, and make sure, okay, this next one, well, anyway, let's get to this next one. It is a butterick pattern, and it is 70/29. I love this, y'all. I think it's going to be so comfortable for the summer. Yeah, and this is the fabric also that I bought at Walmart, and I paid $4 for it. It is 3 yards, I think. Yeah. And I'm going to make it in a camo. Okay, I'm going to make it in a camo. So can you see it? Can y'all see the vision? Can y'all see the vision? I think it's going to be cute. I didn't want to do this. I might later on, who knows, but I do like this, and I think it's so comfortable, and I think this would be the perfect fabric to do it in. So it's like, it's all gray. It's a gray camo, no pink hues, no nothing like that, and it is just a gray camo, and I think that is really going to be cute and comfortable, and I think it's going to work for me, okay, because I don't have a lot of clothes that I have patterns in, okay, and then or should I say prints, some type of print in it. And then the last one was a Mimi G Simplicity. Oh, this one was also $2.99 from simplicity.com. This one was $4.99 from simplicity.com. And it is a Mimi G pattern, 93/29. And it has a sew along with it. Okay. So, I don't know if I have enough fabric, but these are my two choices right now for it. One is in this brown with the dots on it. Let me bring it up close so y'all can see. Okay. And this came from my mystery bin from my subscriber, Sharon. Thank you, girl. And this is from Fabric Wholesale Direct. Some Ankara fabric. I don't know if I have enough. And so I don't know if I can make it out of this. But I was thinking about this and then maybe finding, you know, a yard or two of brown fabric so I can do the sleeves, because I'm going to do dress B, which is the short one, this one right here, and it calls for my size. I'm going to do it in a 20 because there's no stretch in this fabric. So it's going to be 3 7/8 fabric that I need for dress B. And interfacing, we got that. I don't need any other notions. Oh, I need an invisible zipper. I think I have an invisible zipper that may go in there. I got a black one. Hold on, y'all. I'm coming back. Oh, I do. I have a brown one. Yay! Your girl be ready. She be ready. Okay, hold on. Invisible and all-purpose. I don't know how that's gonna work. I got an invisible zipper and I have an all-purpose zipper. So I don't know which one I may use for that, but it could go with both. But I need a, let me see, how long my zipper gotta be? 9 inches. 9. Oh, this is 9 inches exactly. This is 9. Okay, so if I don't find it, I'll find, I'll do it in yellow, or I'll go and just get me another zipper that's an invisible zipper that's 9 inches. I could cut it and do it, but it's all purpose. It's not, yeah. So it's all purpose zipper. It's not an invisible zipper. So that's my plan to start working on. So I'm going to put those options in the community tab. And y'all going to let me know which one y'all want me to sew next. Okay, so it's going to be between these 3. Okay, and y'all get to pick which one I sew next. All right. And also, before I let y'all go, I want to let you know that whenever you are, well, I'm a newbie to sewing, right? So with that said, what I'm trying to say here, once I get this pants off my foot. So what I'm trying to say is, as a new sewist, I have come to realize that I need a lot of help. Hi, Winston. How are you? Winston says hi. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi. How are you? Say hi, Winston. Say hi. Okay. All right. Get down. All right. So, with that said, I'm new to sewing. No, get down. Go play. You want a treat? Here. Go get a treat. So, with that said, I try to look for patterns that have tutorials or sew-alongs, okay? Because it helps me improve my skills with things I don't know. Like this one has a sew-along with it. So what I'll do is I'll go and it's on YouTube already. This one's on YouTube. Sometimes they have a barcode at the bottom that you can scan, and you can go and see this. Like this shirt didn't come with a tutorial, but I did go, I typed in the pattern and I said sew along or tutorial, and I found Shells Create. So Shells, you helped me make this shirt, girl. This is your work here. This is your work. So I'm not afraid to go to the OGs that's been in the game for a minute and watch what they do, so that I can learn how to do it too, because we don't get better all by ourselves. At least I don't. I can't speak for nobody else. Maybe y'all, got it down to the heel, but I don't. So I have to go and watch people and figure out how to do certain things that I've never done before. So I don't mind looking at a sew along or doing the tutorial or doing the shirt as I sew it. So that's how I did this one. I went on Shells' channel, Shells Create, and I watched her. And I followed every step as she followed the steps. There's some things that she didn't do that I kind of like had to figure out. So, which was fine with me. And that was within the sleeve part of matching it up and stuff like that. So what I realized, what a little trick for me is to go in around the circle part of the sleeve, like this part right here, and put in some gathering thread. I don't backstitch. I just, put in a base stitch so that I can pull it, and then I adjust it to the inside of the seam so that I can sew it closed. That's a little tip for me. Stop. Sit down. Put it down. Put it down. Thank you. Stay. So that's a little tip there if you're wondering, because I was having issues with the sleeves and stuff like that. And I was like, man, I don't want to cut them. Some people will cut, little divots into it, like little dark cuts. And I didn't want to do that because this fabric here is a bed sheet fabric. Sit down. And it snags a lot. So I didn't want to cause any snags or anything like that. So, down. Sit. Put it down. He don't like it when I say no, y'all. So he gonna start talking to me. But anyway, that's what I do. Y'all, look at y'all doggy nephew. Look at y'all doggy nephew. You want to go outside? You interrupted my video, Winston. Sit down. Put it down. Put it down, sir. Put it down. Down. I ain't say dance. I said down. Thank you. Stay. Stay. He only gonna stay for 2.5 seconds. He ain't gonna stay that long. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. But that was my little tip there for that. And I'm checking in with y'all on Wednesday. Didn't I tell you 2.5? And letting y'all know where your girl is on that. I haven't started on the top yet for the jeans. And I do want to wear the jeans and stuff tonight. But I am going to cut off these pants here that has a stain on them. And I don't know how to get it out and it won't come out. But I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut off the flare part of the jeans on the bottom of these and use it for, you know, the waist of the top that I'm creating over here. This is the top that I'm creating, okay? And then this is going to flare on the bottom of it. Okay, it's going to be cute. It's going to be cute. And I want to get it done tonight. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try to. And if I do, I'll share it with you guys. And then with that said, I'm going to let y'all go. It's Wednesday. And thank you for stopping in. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my OGs. So, J-Sotasticers, keep a lookout for your girl. I'm going to go in the community tab, like I said, and I'm going to put those 3 patterns in there, and y'all get to pick which one I'm going to do next, okay? I don't know exactly when I'm going to do it next, and I'm going to tell you the one I would like to do next is the skirt and the top or the romper, okay? Because I ain't got nowhere to wear the dress to yet, so I ain't in no hurry. But if y'all pick it, I'll do it. But, you know, because this is going to be part of my wardrobe, so I am building my wardrobe and with things that I like. So that's another thing I'm working on, building my wardrobe and getting rid of all the other stuff that I have or upcycling those things. I'm not throwing anything away. Haven't decided to give anything to the Goodwill or any other thrift store yet. But that's what I'm doing. I am rebuilding my wardrobe, and I'm trying to make sure that things coordinate and I can wear them along with other items. So with that said, bye y'all, J-Sotasticers. I'll see y'all in the next video Monday. Okay, unless I come back on here and do something live. Okay, keep your notification buttons. Y'all know I can't talk. Keep your notification bells on. Okay, so y'all know when I get the next upload. I'll see y'all. Bye.